Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Meta as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.98. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 4.60%. This results in an average daily loss of 0.77% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.73% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 15.73% and 40.04%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 39.5%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 29.63% to 66.11% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $813.96 and $1,043.05. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline: Meta stock price ended at $627.93 on Thursday after losing 4.35%. The Meta stock price fell by 4.35% on the last day, Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, from $656.47 to $627.93. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.24%, with a day low at $624.11 and a day high of $650.56. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 9.63% during this period. Volume fell on the last day alongside the stock, which is actually a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the stock's movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 8,000 shares, with a total of 13 million shares bought and sold for approximately $8.33 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $740.89, while the lowest price was $414.50. Currently, the price is 15.25%, or $112.96, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta is making significant strides in advancing its artificial intelligence offerings, with plans to serve hundreds of millions of businesses through its AI solutions. This strategic focus, as highlighted by the company's head of business AI, Clara Shi, indicates a robust growth strategy aimed at revolutionizing how businesses operate. With over 700 million users already engaged with their AI systems, Meta is well positioned to enhance its market presence significantly, suggesting potential short-term boosts in stock prices as investor sentiment improves around its innovation pipeline. Furthermore, Meta's commitment to safety, particularly through support of age verification initiatives in Utah, may enhance its brand reputation and foster trust among parents and users. This approach to youth safety could safeguard Meta from regulatory backlash, contributing to its long-term growth trajectory. Importantly, Meta's resilience, underscored by its strong cash flow and high return on invested capital, continues to establish it as a strong buy in a competitive landscape. Analysts are estimating a fair value of $2.2 trillion for the company, indicating a potential upside of approximately 32%. The ongoing growth in digital advertising, alongside targeted investments in generative AI, such as the upcoming Llama 4 software, positions Meta not only for immediate gains, but also for sustained long-term success, enhancing investor confidence and paving the way for continued stock appreciation. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 11th of February, 2025, it was reported that Tigress Financial assigned Meta a strong buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank rated Meta as sector perform with a hold action. On the same day, BMO Capital gave Meta a market perform rating along with a hold action. Also on that Thursday, Cowen & Co. rated Meta as buy with a hold action. Finally, on the 30th of January, UBS rated Meta as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Meta stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, the relationship between these averages suggests a general sell signal, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $654.23 and $674.77. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 14.76%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that might pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. Short moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 147 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 140 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $615.86, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock typically exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $26.45, which is 4.24%. In the last week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 4.12%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.60. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $659.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $615.86. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of March 2025, Olivon Javier sold 608 shares of Class A common stock. On the 28th of February 2025, Cox Christopher K. sold 400 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Cox Christopher K. sold 300 shares of Class A common stock. Also on that day, Cox Christopher K. sold 200 shares of Class A common stock. Finally, on the 28th of February 2025, Cox Christopher K. sold 531 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 53.726. In total, insiders acquired 46,422 shares and disposed of 154,769 shares during these 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Meta stock a good buy? The Meta stock currently displays several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Meta will experience weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 7th of March, we expect Meta to open higher by $6.27, starting at $634.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.